With this video, let's begin looking into ChatGPT. It was released, as you can see on Wikipedia, November 30th, 2022. I got on it early in December and started researching and following it. So I'm always on top of this for you. And whenever something cool and new comes up, I try to add it to the course. And this really generated a lot of attention because there have been other AI, artificial intelligence, chatbots and software, but they have not been as good. This particular one is noteworthy because it's tremendously good and it has many applications in your writing, like blogging, like customer support, and many other things. So let's read together exactly what it is. So chat generative pre-trained transformer, see, generative pre-trained transformer, that's what GPT is a chatbot developed by OpenAI. We're going to go there in a second and sign up. So chatbot is built on top of AI's GPT family of large language models and fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforced learning techniques. So let's actually go there to OpenAI and sign up and begin using it to see how it will be useful for you. Here I am on openai.com. This is the company that created ChatGPT. Right here they have a prompt, ChatGPT. You see, they have other things they made, but this particular release of this ChatGPT, that's exciting. So let's try it. So we're going to chat.openai.com and they want us to log in or create an account. Of course, we're going to sign up and create an account. You can create an email-based account or just sign up with Google, which is easier to do. So I'll just sign up with Google. Yes. And it pulls my name. So yes, that's my name, Alex Kinedinik. You enter your phone number just so that it sends you a two-step verification. You click send code. It's going to send you the code. After you enter the code, it's going to think a little bit. And it took me a little while for the system to get to the next page, maybe because there's just a lot of use for it and a lot of load on their servers because this is a very popular tool. But we get here, so let's look at it together. You see, right now, this is free. It may not stay free forever, and it's projected to not be free forever because right now it's in beta. And when things are in beta, they change frequently. So if anything changes, if it becomes not free, please send me a private message so I can jump in and update the video for you and give you other options. Because if they change anything, it's not like they email me and say, hey, Alex, we've changed, so please update your course. I only find out about it when people let me know or the next time I log in. So if you see any changes, please let me know. So just be aware that the reason you are getting it for free is because they need to collect feedback from users like you and I on how people are planning and how people are using this tool. And very importantly, while there are safeguards in place, right here, the system may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading or offensive information. So just forgive it because it's not like a person is replying. It's really a software that's replying to you. So now that we understand this, let's press next. They also want you to be aware that any conversation may be reviewed by human reviewers. And they also want you to be aware that you should not share any sensitive private information, like passwords or anything else that's private. So having looked at that, let's click next. Now they also tell you that they have a community where you can give feedback and they have a Discord server. You can click on it. It's basically like a chat area. You can accept the invite. They give you a little prompt, you close it, and you see there's a chat going on. If you've never used Discord, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but basically it's just chat. We're not here for this chat. This is chat with people, with other users. But let's get back to our setup process here and say done. Once you've said done, you can start using this software. Before you start using it, they want you to know a few things about it. The kinds of examples that they have pre-made for you, what it can do and what it cannot do. Like we already covered, it may not always have the right information or accurate information. It may occasionally give harmful instructions, and it has a limited knowledge of a world and events after 2021. But the interesting things that it can do is that it can remember what you've said earlier in the conversation and allows you to even correct it, right? So now that we're all set up, In the next video, let's try to use this software.